Like I said, we do have a city city sewer problem, and water even is backing up in the garage because we have these drains that are connected to city sewer that's outside. My gutters are original and absolutely all of them need to be replaced. The roof is original and I simply cannot afford to work on it right now. The cheapest quotation that I got to replace this roof was over $300,000. Like I said, all my windows are original from 1938 when the house was originally built. This AC is still running on the old style Freon that was discontinued 20 years ago. I'm still able to keep it going, but it will shut down any moment. I just simply haven't had the money to and the time to invest in the house.